Hey there, today we're gonna talk about safety and why is safety important. So let's say like this, safety is the method to have accident-free work culture. And in first place, we have to say that safety is #1 priority for the operating plants. And we have to say that everyone to go home safely as their family are waiting for them. And most important is this one, that accident hurt but safety doesn't. And every accident is a notice that something is wrong with man, methods, or material. So our first goal, or first step is to investigate, then act. So we need to make sure that everything goes right as we planned. Of course, mistakes can happen, that's part of life, but our job when we're working with systems, with plants, our job is to make sure that we are prepared to avoid any kind of mistakes, or if some mistakes does happen in case, then to have the less possible consequences. So safety is the ultimate goal, to ensure that all employees complete their work and return home safe. We can say that safety system is only prevention layer. So we can't make that 100% safe, but we can make let's say one like prevention layer, that we can assume what can happen or should happen, then we act accordingly to that to make system more safely. So if we say that safety system is prevention layer that acts in such a way to control if any hazard happens in the plant, then the plant control system could not prevent the hazard happening. So let's see on this drawing, or how that should look, some type of system. So let's say we have here actuator, and we have control valve, solenoid valve that is connected with PLC, control valve, that digital valve controller. Then we have redundant final control elements. We will talk about that, what means redundant. Set control valve. On the other side, we have on-off actuator. We have emergency shutdown valve. We also have digital valve controller, and here we have safety PLC. That is one part of system. So if we happen that something's wrong with this, let's say this part of system, then we're gonna have a signal to PLC that, and he will go on off. Then if something wrong, he will go off, and this emergency shutdown valve will close the pipe. So this is some pipe what we have here. Okay, so here we will talk about industrial standards. We have three main. First one is EIC, that means International Electrotechnical Commission, and the number 508 tells us that that is important for manufacturing. So when we see this standard, industrial standard, we know that it is about functional safety of electrical, electronic, programmable electronic safety related systems, and that is mainly for manufacturers. But if we have here 511, that means, like same number, but last three same, means that it is mainly for the end users. So we have to follow procedures and standards that comply that to the end users. And also that is the safety instrumented systems for the process industry sector. NC, that is instrumented system to achieve functional safety in the process industries and also end users. So as you can see, what is the main goal here to see and say is that we need to make real attention to look for systems and make sure that there is less possible mistakes that can happen in this area for, let's say, operating plans. So this is only beginning, but we will see you next lesson. So until then, bye.